3 things that great leaders do during meetings. Number 1, they will always respect your time and your calendar. They will start the meeting on time and they will end the meeting on time because you got other things to do. Unless it's an emergency, they will never do open-ended meetings. And when they're about to invite you for a meeting, they will consult you first. They're going to give you proper heads up so you can prepare for it. Number 2, great leaders will make sure that you get to contribute and share your opinions during that meeting. Bad bosses will make you feel that a meeting is like a monologue, a sermon, that you're just a passive listener. But great leaders will make sure that you get to be part of the decision making and that you're there. Your presence is needed because you are an important part of the team. Number 3, great leaders are humble enough during meetings to accept their mistakes and to correct themselves if they found out that something else is better or is more appropriate. And the reason why they conducted the meeting in the first place is because they acknowledge that they don't know everything. Be the great leader that you wish that you can have in your career. I wish you the best in your career. Good luck.